welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to teach you how to pick the right red lipstick for you at home for the holiday season. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And the best way to determine what red lipstick looks good on you is by determining what undertone you are. So let's start off with how to figure out what undertone you are. I need you to roll up your sleeve and look at your veins. So if you have a lot of yellow in your skin, and if your veins are green, you are a warm undertone. And a warm undertone are colors like brown, red, orange, green. Those are all colors that are going to look really good. So when you're looking for a red lipstick, you're going to want to choose a red lipstick that's going to be on the brighter side because it's really going to complement your undertone. So the lipsticks you're going to look for are going to be orange based, yellow based. Now, if you are somebody who is a cool tone, your veins are going to be blue or purple. You're going to have a lot of pink in your skin, and white can kind of wash you out. Now, you're going to choose a red lipstick that has a lot of blue tones or purple tones in it. And the reason why is that's really going to bring out your skin undertone. But how do you know if you are a neutral undertone? Well, if you have purple, blue, and green veins like I do, you are a neutral undertone. So you're pretty much good to go with whatever your preference is. You can wear really nice bright pinks, you can wear really deep blue reds or orange reds, and they're all going to look really great on you. Personally, I prefer more of the classic reds, so the more blue based reds, and blue based reds tend to be a little bit more universal. Now, if you are a warm tone, you can still get away with wearing cool tone lipsticks. Again, these are just guidelines to help you pick at home or make it easier for you. I've included a list in the description box of lipsticks that are cool tone, warm tone, and neutral tone. And some of them are drugstore and then some of them are high-end, just to kind of give it a good mix. The lipstick that I have on is called 20 Pioneer. This is a drugstore. This is by Maybelline. It's a Super Stay. It's one of their matte ink lipsticks. Love this color. Now this color is a blue based red because it is darker. One thing to note with warm tone oranges or warm tone reds, the more color is on the orange or yellow side, a little bit less on the pink or red side or brown side, it can pick up a little bit of yellowness in your teeth, so just keep that in mind. Blue tone reds are going to make your teeth look a lot whiter. So let's get into some examples. So first I'm going to swatch a blue tone red on this hand. So this is going to be blue tones, again, are cool tone or neutral tone. This one again is from Physicians Formula, another drugstore. And this one is also a blue tone red. And then I'm just going to swatch one more so you kind of get. Now, this is probably my favorite blue tone red. This is a classic retro red. Retro meaning it's like, when you think of retro, you think of like 1920s kind of Great Gatsby reds. This is MAC's Ruby Woo. Everyone pretty much knows about it, but that is my favorite blue tone red. Now, as you guys can see, each of these tones are different, but they all have blue underlying. Now, Ruby Woo has a little bit of pink in it as well, so it can be pretty universal, so it's pretty flattering on every single person. Now let's go and see what some orange or yellow or warm tone reds look like. Now, because personally I like blue tone reds, a lot of reds in my collection are cool tone or neutral or blue toned, so I don't really have any bright orange tones. I am gonna make some for you. I've got this little lip kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're going to do some swatches of some different warm tone red lipsticks. So I've just applied a little bit of red, and now I'm going to take some orange, and I'm going to start with that first, and I'm going to mix that together. So guys, that is a very warm tone red. So I'm actually going to swatch it for you. So that color will be beautiful on anyone who's got a warm undertone. Now I'm going to show you what a yellow and red look like. So again, I'm going to take a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow, and then we're going to mix that together, and that is another example of a warm tone red. So now let's take that color and swatch it. So that is going to be a very bright red. So orange and then yellow undertones for these two reds. And then I'm just going to do one more so you kind of get the hang of it. So I'm going to take a little bit of red. And then now I'm going to take some pink and mix it in. So that is almost like a fuchsia pink. And that's still looking pretty blue based. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to add a tiny bit of yellow. So that's my yellow. And red with pink and yellow. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Alright guys, so that is the difference between really bad swatches between warm tone reds and cool tone reds. And if you're neutral like me, you can wear pretty much whatever you want, but I prefer the cool tone reds. Anyways guys, so don't forget to check my blog and the description box, and I will link different types of lipsticks for each undertone. I will have a section for neutral, cool tone, and warm tone. Again, another way to tell the color of your undertone, it doesn't matter about the tone, so if you're light, medium, or dark, you will have a different undertone. So I hope you enjoyed this little video where I show you the difference between warm tone reds and cool tone reds, neutral reds. Alright guys, I hope that helped. Thank you so much, and let me know what your favorite red to wear is in the comments below, as well as tell me what your vein colors are and what your undertone is from this video. And I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!